Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice exponential equation problem, and here we have 5 to the power of m equals to 5m and plus 15, and we will solve this problem for the values of m. So now we will solve this problem with the help of Lambert W function. So here I can first write or first introduced a little bit the Lambert W function. So the Lambert W function will be written in the form of w of m times of e to the power of m. So here you remember one thing is that over the exponent of e, which is m, is multiplied by m, and the output of this function is equals to the exponent of e, which is m. So now you see here the exponent is multiplied by e, so this is the standard form of a Lambert W function, and now we solve this problem with the help of this Lambert W function. So now the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will make our given question statement in the form of a Lambert W function, so that here we will just write or take common 5 on the right hand side, and we have 5 to the power of m equals to 5 times of m plus 3. And now in the next step we can just divide both of the sides by 5 to the power of m, and we write it as 5 times of m, and we have 5 times of m plus 3 over 5 to the power of m. And in the left hand side you have 5 to the power of m is gone, and we will just write it as 1 equals to we move 5 to the power of m in the upsides, and we will write as because here you see that the exponent of 5 will be 1, so we subtract the exponent of the denominator and we write 5 to the power of 1 minus m into m plus 3. So in the next step we will just multiplying both of the sides by 5 to the power of minus 4, because here we need to convert this function into the Lambert W form, so that we multiply both of the sides by minus times of 5 to the power of minus 3. So that here we have 5 to the power of minus m will becomes in the form of so that you will just write here sorry, here we can multiply the given question by 5 to the power of minus 4, because here we need to make the power of 5 is m plus 3, so we multiply 5 to the power minus 4, so that our left hand side will becomes minus times of 5 to the power of minus 4, and it is equals to 5 to the power of minus 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 minus m into m plus 3. So now we will make little bit simplifications here, and you write the left hand side is minus 5 times of power minus 4, and it is equals to 5 to the power of minus 4, and because when you add minus 4 and plus 1 so it will be equals to minus 3 and minus 5, and this whole it is multiplied by minus because here you have minus and we multiply minus by m plus 3, so it will becomes minus 3 times minus 3 minus m. So in the next step we will just take the log and anti-log at the same time. We will write this 5 to the power of minus 3 minus m as, so e to the power of log, because you know that log and e be the anti-logarithm of log. So when it is occurs at the same time, so these are cancelled by each other. Now we can write e to the power of log into 5 to the power of minus 3 and minus m into we have minus 3 minus m. Here we will use the nice property of logarithm, so that the exponent of 5 will become in the log. So we write minus 3 minus m times of log 5, and this is base is e into minus 3 minus m. So in the next step we will just make the lambda w form. So here we get the exponent of e is multiplied by m. So now here we need to make log 5 on the front of minus 3 minus m factor, so that we will just multiply both of the sides by log 5. So after multiplying we get minus times of log 5 into we have 5 to the power of minus 4, and this whole is equals to e to the power of minus 3 minus m into log 5, and here we multiply minus 3 and minus m by log 5, and we get minus 3 minus m into log 5. So in the next step here we need to apply our Lambert W function on both of the sides, so that we will take the w on both of the sides, and we write w of minus log 5 into 5 to the power of minus 4, and this whole equals to w of e to the power of minus 3 minus m into log 5, and this is multiplied by minus 3 minus m into log 5. So in the next step first we can focus on the right hand side, and our right hand side will become in the form of lambda w. So the output of this lambda w function will be the exponent of e, so which is minus 3 minus m times of log 5. So in the next step we will make little bit simplifications in the left hand side, and we write minus log 5 times of 5 to the power of minus 4. We write it as 5 times of 5 to the power of minus 5, because when you add the exponent of 5 then you will get here 5 to the power of minus 4. So it is equals to minus 3 minus m times of log 5. So in the next step now we will simplify our left hand side, and we will just write here w of we can write w of minus 5 times of log 5, and multiplied by we can here again take log and anti-log at the same time, and we write e times of log of 5 to the power of minus 5, and this whole equation equals to minus 3 minus 5 times of log 5. So the next step will becomes w of minus 5 times of log 5, and into e to the power of, here we move minus 5 in the front of this log, and you write minus 5 times of log 5, and this is equals to minus 3 sorry, it is equals to minus m, and we have minus 3 minus m times of log 5. So we can use the definition of lambda w function in the left hand side, because the exponent of e is multiplied by here, and the output of this function will be minus 5 times of log 5. and this whole equation equals to minus 3 minus m times of log 5. So you see that log 5 will be cancelled by each other, and we get here minus 5 equals to minus 3 minus m. And now we move this m in the left hand side, and we move this minus 5 in the right hand side, and we get m equals to minus 3 plus 5. So you know that minus 3 plus 5 equals to 2. So this is the our final answer.